Welcome all friends in the Dhamma. We practice meditation, and where we go? We go become one with the nature. We not go anywhere. The enlightened is the becoming one with the nature. So, become one with the nature first. How? Feeling yourself, feeling the nature. But it will be more feeling yourself and the nature more when you stop thinking. How to stop thinking? Notice your breathing. Okay? That's all. If you still got thought, feel yourself, feel the nature, it's not wake up and become one with the nature. But if you just now look at me, watch me, you stop thinking. Then I told you, feel yourself, feel the nature. And if you also continuously look at the present moment, then your mind free from thought. For example, look at the scenery, look at the mountain or sky, then you stop thinking. Okay? When you stop thinking, just feel yourself, feel the nature. Okay? Don't have to lecture. If you lecture, you got thought. Okay? You got thought, you cannot do meditation. Okay? Because what I'm teaching now is only feel yourself, feel the nature. You don't have to lecture. I don't teach you a lot of information. Okay? Feel yourself, feel the nature. Again, feel yourself, feel the nature. That's it. Okay? Okay, now feel yourself, feel the nature. Look at me. Feel yourself, feel the nature. Look at the mountain. More you look at the nature, you feel yourself, feel the nature is broadened. Okay? And now feel yourself, feel the nature until you got wake up your consciousness. At least feel yourself. Okay? Feel your whole body sitting awareness. Okay? And then notice your breathing in. When we focus something outside, I use the word watch. Watch the mountain because it's so far. Watch the sky. But when I tell you, notice your breathing, because it's very near, you don't have to watch. Okay? But you just notice. Okay? Or you can watch and notice. Okay? Notice will bring you more insight. Okay? Anyhow, one word. Notice your breathing and with joy and happiness. Then feel yourself with joy and happiness and feel the nature. Okay? That's all. This is direct way. Go to the nature. How? Stop thinking. And then feel yourself and the nature. And now close your eye. Notice your breathing nicely, deeply. If you can feel yourself and the nature together, your breathing becomes nicely, deeply, long, and subtle. Feel yourself and the nature. Feel yourself from your face, facial feeling. Feel yourself, facial feeling, and the body feeling, and your heart feeling with joy and happiness. This is how to feel yourself. Feel yourself and the nature. Feel yourself first. When you feel yourself, you got wake up. You got more consciousness wake up. Then consciousness wake up, become awareness of the nature. And then feel the nature with awareness more and more. Notice every moment on your breathing in deeply. And your heart will smile gently, smiling gently in your heart. And feel yourself and the nature together. Feel yourself and the nature together. Then you become one with the nature. It looks like you're breathing so deeply into the nature. You're not only breathing into your body, but you're breathing into the nature. Feel yourself at the nature. With joy and happiness more and more. How? With smiling gently. Smiling gently, deeply, nicely. And keep your back upright, your face upright. If your face go down, you cannot become one with the nature. Your face go down, you become one with hell. Okay? You fall into hell. The darkness. Your face important. Upright. More upright, your face open. Just keep mindfulness on your face upright. And from your heart, feel yourself and the nature together. Feel yourself and the nature with smiling gently, smiling gently. And notice deeply, gently, you're breathing in deeply to the pause. Pause maybe 3 to 5 seconds, then it breathing out, noticing together you're breathing out up to the pause, up to the pause, to your crown head, up to the pause, and open to the sky. Feel yourself and the nature, noticing together your breathing, and notice only one object. You're breathing in, you're breathing out. Notice one object, you got right concentration. Feel yourself and the nature. You got more awareness. Wake up like a big mirror. With good exposure, seeing yourself. Feel yourself and the nature. Just let it be, let it go. With smiling gently, smiling gently more and more. Feel yourself and the nature gently. And notice only on your breathing every moment, deeply, nicely, every moment only. With awareness, by feeling yourself and the nature, awareness become wake up more and more with insight or mind sight. And notice deeply inside from your mind backwards. More backwards, your mind can notice your breathing clearly. If you notice in your brain, you cannot notice clearly your breathing. Notice from the inner backwards, more backwards. Feel yourself and the nature with smiling gently in your heart and joy in your mind with relaxing. Feel yourself and the nature gently with smile, with smile. Smiling more and more in your heart, up to your face, smiling. Keep your face upright. Otherwise, you go to the darkness. Upright. Feel yourself more on your facial feeling also. Then it will wake up. Feel yourself, your facial feeling and the whole body relaxing. And feel the nature together. with relaxing and smiling gently, deeply, gently, deeply, gently. You got more awareness inwards, broaden more and more. And you can notice your nice and soft and subtle breathing everywhere inside, into your heart and spiritual. More you feeling yourself at the nature, your spiritual broaden. And more feel yourself on your facial feeling more. This very helpful. If you not feel your facial feeling, difficult to wake up. Start from your facial feeling, then together with the whole body, but must start from here. Okay? If you only feel your body feeling, awareness is not wake up because your face, you not awareness of your face feeling. Okay? And then next time when you do meditation, you always smile, then it bring you inside already. Okay? Can you smile and it go inside or not? You practice feel yourself feeling on your facial feeling more and more. Even you not sit meditation, when you smile to people, you go into meditative state already. Okay? This is the shortcut way. Okay? And now slowly open your eyes, smile. It bring you inside or not? Yeah. Smile. Shortcut. This is the Buddha say, gladness. Gladness from your heart and to your smiling face. Gladness. When you got gladness, you already go on the way to enlightenment. You practice without gladness, you are far from the way of enlightenment. Okay? Gladness with smile. Now, come inside, go inside with smile from your face to your heart. Bring your mind, come to your body by smile on your face, and bring inside to your heart and spiritual with smile in your heart in 1 minute. And then feel yourself and the nature from your heart nicely. Feel yourself and the nature from your heart nicely. And now only you keep smile on your facial feeling and your heart. Then you got awareness and see nice breathing deeply by awareness. And then you awareness first. Awareness and see your breathing naturally. And then just notice. Just notice to learn how it is. Not notice, try to fix it. Notice to learn. It depends on. If you notice to fix your mind with your breathing, you got meditation only. But if you notice to learn, you got vipassana. Okay? Okay? Notice to learn. Okay? Can you notice to learn? Where your breathing go inside? Where? Notice to learn. You got exploring. That's right. Now smile on your face to your heart and feel yourself, the whole body and the nature, and notice your breathing to learn how your feeling inside is. Your breathing can bring you to learn how your feeling inside is. and feel yourself and the nature together. When you notice to learn how your breathing is, how your breathing nicely, deeply, and how it make you feeling good, make you feeling letting go. With breathing, it will help you feeling letting go. And just relax and smile gently. Feel yourself and the nature deeply. And notice gently. You notice gently, it go inwards. Noticing from the inwards. Gently. Noticing gently your breathing in to the pause. Notice gently your breathing out up to the pause. Over your crown head is emptiness. Noticing. Feel yourself and the nature more and more with relaxing and letting go. And just stay at home inside, in your heart and spiritual. Always feel yourself and the nature with upright your body. You can feel yourself and the nature with upright body. If not upright body, you cannot feel yourself and the nature. Feel yourself on your body up to your facial feeling together. Then you can develop full awareness of the whole body. And notice your breathing gently, deeply. More feeling yourself and the nature, your consciousness become more and more subtle, and blindness shining with brightness. Feel yourself and the nature with smile gently. and notice from the mind backwards, free from thought. And notice every moment not lost. Sometimes you lost and your mind become thought. Just notice every moment, then you free from thought. Notice every moment you're breathing in, how soft or subtle you're breathing nicely. And the pause. At the point when you notice more, it become more time. It lasts long from 2-3 seconds to 5 to 7 seconds. It lasts longer. Pause become longer, that means it's more open to the nature. Pause at the bottom when you got inhale, and pause on top when you got exhale. When you can notice the pause, then your breathing become vertical line. Okay? Passing through your spinal bone. And lifting up your two hands a bit. Then you getting more wake up. Feeling yourself deeply and the nature. And notice your nice, natural, deeply breathing gently. And before we finish this session, just share merit. Transfer merit to everybody at home, in your family, everybody in the country, and all beings in the world. How much you got happiness that everybody and all being more and more happiness. When you share merit or transfer merit, your consciousness become more open. And then bring back all merit to yourself for your good luck, good health, happiness, and all success with smiling gently. Bring all merit to yourself with smiling gently to fulfill your wish. And with Dhamma eye in this very life. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Yeah, you got a skill.